So recently I decided to bring back my series that I started in 2010. It's called Pieces, and I stopped at piece number 20. I sold all of the pieces. The series is called Pieces because these paintings are 5x7, they're really small, and each one of them is just like an idea or a thought that I had that I just wanted to kind of like throw it on a piece of paper, but to also be its own finished piece. And these images that I create are going to be part of bigger paintings in the future that I haven't put together yet. I also noticed that I say the word "and" a lot, and I'm gonna try to stop doing that. And let's focus on the water. We have to apply a lot of water to make sure our painting is well hydrated. So I'm just gonna blob on a bunch of water, and then I'm gonna start adding red. I'm just gonna start putting it wherever it runs. Then I'm gonna add yellow, and then I'm gonna add blue. I think this is my favorite part of color for the background. It just runs into the yellow and creating like a lime green. I will talk about the masking fluid, but first, oh my God. Sorry, I was just drooling, which is good because we need the extra water. Because when I put the ink right there right from the bottle, it's just gonna start running. This is Dr. P.H. Martin's Black Star Waterproof India ink. The masking fluid. This is the stuff that gets dry after a while. It takes forever, and it leaves a big old mess. So you're gonna clean it up. Just vacuum it all up, vacuum up your painting. It'll be fine. And then I'm still not happy with how the lines turned out, so I'm gonna add a little bit of a marker in there. Let's see, let's try the Sharpie. Well, this Sharpie sucks. Let's try something else. This is pretty great. There we go. And that is piece number 21. I said "and" again, didn't I?